Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of freckles with ginger and honey remedy. Freckles are those fun little spots that appear on our skin when we're exposed to sunlight. They can be cute, but they can also be a pain in the butt if you want to get an even tan or if you are just sick of seeing them every time you look in the mirror. Well, there is good news because today I am going to show you how to get rid of freckles fast at home. So without further ado, let's begin. To get started, you will need 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger, 2 tablespoons of raw honey. The ingredients are very simple and basic. Now, before we go further into the video, please take some time to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this video helpful. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Now let's get started. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which can help reduce the appearance of freckles. It also has a bleaching effect on the skin, which means it can help fade the dark spots caused by freckles. To make this treatment even more effective, you can combine it with honey, which is a natural humectant. This means it will help to hydrate your skin and draw out moisture from deep within your skin. This process can help improve the texture and tone of your skin, making it appear brighter and more even. So what exactly are freckles? Well, freckles are a form of hyperpigmentation. This means that they are areas of the skin that have a higher concentration of melanin than the surrounding skin. Melanin is the pigment that gives our skin its color. So when there's an increase in melanin production, it can cause dark spots to appear on the skin. These dark spots are what we refer to as freckles. Freckles can be caused by a number of factors, including genetics, sun exposure, and hormonal changes. If you've got fair skin and red or golden hair, you are more likely to get freckles, because people with these features have less melanin in their skin than those with darker complexions. As a result, their skin is more susceptible to sun damage, which can lead to the development of freckles. There are several ways to reduce the appearance of freckles, but some of the most popular and effective methods include using sunscreen, wearing protective clothing, getting laser treatment, and using natural remedies. While there's no one-size-fits-all approach to treating freckles, you may find that a combination of these methods works best for you. Using sunscreen is an easy and effective way to prevent freckles from developing in the first place. When exposed to the sun, UV rays penetrate the skin and stimulate melanocytes to produce more melanin. This results in increased pigmentation and the formation of freckles. By protecting your skin from the sun, you can help keep freckles at bay. You should use a broad-spectrum sunscreen that protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Apply liberally to all exposed skin and reapply it every 2 hours or as directed on the packaging. Wearing protective clothing is another great way to prevent and treat freckles. By covering up with long sleeves, pants, and hats, you can protect your skin from the sun and reduce your risk of developing freckles. You can also wear sunglasses to protect your eyes and the delicate skin around them from the sun's harmful rays. Laser treatment is a more invasive option for treating freckles, but it can be effective in reducing their appearance. During laser treatment, a concentrated beam of light is used to target and destroy the melanin that causes freckles. While laser treatment can be expensive and time-consuming, it is a great option for those who are looking for a more permanent solution to their freckle problems. Using natural remedies is a popular alternative to traditional treatments for freckles. One such remedy is the ginger and honey mask that I'll be discussing in this video. Now let's move on to the benefits of ginger and honey. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of skin conditions, including freckles. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce redness and irritation on the skin. Additionally, ginger contains compounds that can inhibit the production of melanin, which is responsible for the appearance of freckles. One study published in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that ginger extract applied topically could significantly reduce the severity of melasma, a condition characterized by brown or gray-brown patches on the skin. Another study published in the Indian Journal of Dermatology, Venereology, and Leprology found that a ginger-based cream applied twice daily for 8 weeks resulted in a significant improvement in the appearance of freckles. Honey has also been used for centuries for its soothing and moisturizing properties. It's a natural humectant, meaning it can help to hydrate the skin and draw out moisture from deep within your skin. This process can help improve the texture and tone of your skin, making it appear brighter and more even. Additionally, honey contains antioxidants that can help protect the skin from environmental damage and reduce inflammation. Alright, now that we know about the benefits of ginger and honey, let's get started with the mask. First, you need to grate the ginger root. Be sure to wash the ginger thoroughly before grating it to remove any dirt or impurities. Then place the grated ginger in a bowl. Add the honey and stir until the mixture is well combined. Make sure that the honey is completely dissolved in the ginger juice. Once the mixture is thoroughly combined, apply it to your face using a brush or your fingers. Be sure to cover the affected areas completely with the mask. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with lukewarm water. Use a gentle cleanser to wash your face after removing the mask. Pat your face dry with a clean towel and apply a moisturizer. For best results, use this mask once or twice a week. You may also want to exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to help remove dead skin cells and promote cell turnover. You can do this by using a gentle scrub or by using a brush. It is important to be gentle when exfoliating your skin as you don't want to cause any irritation or damage. If you're unsure how to exfoliate your skin properly, you can ask a dermatologist or skincare professional for advice. Now, it is important to note that everyone's skin is different and what works for one person may not work for another. If you're unsure whether or not this mask is right for you, you can consult with a dermatologist. A dermatologist can help you determine the best course of treatment for your particular situation. So how often should you use this mask? It really depends on the severity of your freckles and the overall condition of your skin. If you've got mild freckles and healthy skin, you may only need to use the mask once a week. However, if you've got more severe freckles or damaged skin, you may need to use the mask 2 or 3 times a week. You should also increase the frequency of your mask usage during the summer months when the sun is stronger and freckles are more likely to develop. It's also important to be patient when using this mask. It can take several weeks of consistent use before you start to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just keep using the mask as directed and you should start to see improvement over time. If you want to accelerate the results, you can combine this mask with other treatments such as sunscreen, laser treatment, or prescription medications. If you've got severe freckles, you may want to consider seeking professional help. A dermatologist can offer stronger treatments and recommend a skincare regimen that can help fade freckles faster. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next video.